Trust can be rebuilt after a breach by consistent, transparent actions over time. The episode outlines a clear path. First, acknowledge the hurt, then offer a sincere apology, and finally commit to a concrete repair plan with measurable steps. A three-part apology framework guides the process. Acknowledge the impact, take responsibility, and propose specific remedies with deadlines. Couples should schedule short weekly check-ins to review progress, celebrate small wins, and adjust commitments as needed. Consistent honesty, reliability, and patience transform breach into a catalyst for deeper trust.